So let's solve this linear equation. First, let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. That gives us our system. Let's go ahead and isolate for x in equation 2. Minus x minus y equals 6, minus x equals 6 plus y. Divide both sides by -1, x equals minus 6 minus y. Let's plug that back into equation 1. 4 times, instead of x, we're going to write 6 minus y, minus 6 minus y, plus 2y equals 7. Now that the entire equation is in terms of y, we can solve for y. So let's distribute that. Minus 24 minus 4y plus 2y equals 7. Collect our like terms. Minus 24 minus 2y equals 7. And now we can isolate for y. Minus 2y equals 7 plus 24. Minus 2y equals 31. Y equals minus 31 over 2. Now that we have y, we can plug it back into equation 2 to solve for x. Minus x minus y equals 6. Instead of y, let's plug in minus 31 over 2. And this -1 here times another negative value is going to give us a positive. So minus x plus 31 over 2 equals 6. Minus x equals 6 minus 31 over 2. Minus x equals 6 times 2 is 12, minus 31 is minus 19 over 2. Divide both sides by -1, x equals 19 over 2.